Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b where 4 over a plus 2 over b is equal to 1 and a, b are integer. Okay, questions have given 4 over a plus 2 over b is equal to 1. Multiplying both sides by ab, we can write here ab times 4 over a plus ab times 2 over b is equal to 1 times a b. Or now this a cancel out this a and this b cancel out this b, so here we will get b times 4 is 4b plus a times 2 is 2a is equal to 1 times ab is ab. Or now taking this 4a and plus 2a to right side, we will get ab minus 2a minus 4b is equal to 0. Or 2 times 4 is 8, so add 8 on both sides. We can write here ab minus 2a minus 4b plus 8 is equal to 0 plus 8. Or now taking common a to first two term, we will get a times b minus 2, and taking common negative 4 to last two term, we will get b times b minus 2 is equal to 0 plus 8 is 8. Or now taking common b minus 2, we will get b minus 2 times a minus 4 is equal to 8. Or now rearranging left side, so we can write here a minus 4 times b minus 2 is equal to, now factorizing 8, we can write here 1 times 8 or 8 times 1 is equal to 2 times 4 or 4 times 2 is equal to negative 1 times negative 8 or negative 8 times negative 1 or negative 2 times negative 4 or negative 4 times negative 2. So there are totally 4 cases. Now case 1. Case 1, we can write here a minus 4 times b minus 2 is equal to 1 times 8, or a minus 4 times b minus 2 is equal to 8 times 1. Okay, so we can write here a minus 4 is equal to 1 and b minus 2 is equal to 8. Or a is equal to, taking this negative 4 to right side, we will get 1 plus 4, so finally the value of a is equal to 5 for first case. Or b is equal to, taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get 8 plus 2, so the value of b is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. So a plus b is equal to 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So the first value of a plus b is equal to 15. Then here we can write a minus 4 is equal to 8 and b minus 2 is equal to 1. Or a is equal to 8 plus 4, so a is equal to 12. Or b is equal to 1 plus 2, so b is equal to 3. And a plus b is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So the first value of a plus b is equal to 15. Now case 2, we can write here a minus b times b minus 2, a minus b times b minus 2 is equal to 2 times 4, 4 times 2, 2 times 4, and a minus b times b minus 2 is equal to 4 times 2. So we can write here a minus b is equal to 2 and b minus 2 is equal to 4, or here 4, a minus 4. So we can write here a minus 4, a is equal to 2 plus 4, so the value of a is equal to 6, and here we can write b is equal to 4 plus 2, so b is equal to 6. So a plus b is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and here we can write a minus 4 is equal to 4 and b minus 2 is equal to 2, or a is equal to 4 plus 4, so a is equal to 8, or b is equal to 2 plus 2, so b is equal to 4. So a plus b is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So the second value of a plus b is equal to 12. Now case 3, we can write here a minus 4 times b minus 2 is equal to negative 1 times negative 8, negative 1 times negative 8, or a minus 4 times a minus 2 is equal to negative 8 times negative 1. So we can write here a minus 4 is equal to negative 1 and b minus 2 is equal to negative 8, or a is equal to negative 1 plus 4, so a is equal to 3, or b is equal to negative 8 plus 2, so b is equal to negative 6. So a plus b is equal to 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3, and here we can write a minus 4 is equal to minus 8 and a minus 2 is equal to minus 1, or a is equal to minus 8 plus 4, so a is equal to minus 4, or b is equal to minus 1 plus 2, so b is equal to 1. So a plus b is equal to negative 4 plus 1 is equal to negative 3. So the second value of b, a plus b is equal to negative 3. Now case 4, we can write here a minus 4 times b minus 2 is equal to negative 2 minus negative 4.